Hi friend, I'm an old foodie in China. My name is Old Bread. Today I'm going to show you a very common cuisine in China. This cuisine may be the most common cuisine in this country because I think every family can cook it. What's this? I just show you the materials. The cuisine I'm going to show you is a stir-fried tomato with eggs. The material you need quite simple, just 2 tomatoes and 3 eggs. I don't want to waste time to deal with the tomato. I think it's quite easy. You just cut the tomato into small pieces, the size of the piece of tomato just like the finger. Okay, this size, that will be okay. You can cut it in any way, that doesn't matter. This cuisine is very easy to cook. The only thing you need is 2 tomatoes, 3 eggs, and a little salt, a little vegetable. That's all you need. Okay, before show you the way of cooking, I have to tell you the historical value of this cuisine. This cuisine was called the cuisine of grandmother. This cuisine during the 1970s and the 1980s may be the most important source of protein for the Chinese people during that time. Because in the year 1970s and the 1980s, China was a very poor third world country. Most family, we couldn't afford to eat meat every day. Maybe I think 1 week we eat once meat or twice each week. So meat become precious for every family. But egg compared to meat, relatively abundant. So the eggs become most important animal protein. During that time, after our studying in school, we come back home, our stomach become empty. At this time, our grandmother always place 1 plate of stir-fried egg with tomato on the table. The aroma of this cuisine, when they come to our nose and to our mouth, our flavor bud cannot resist the temptation of this taste. So we will eat this food immediately. After eating, we will show a sign of satisfactory. So today, I'm going to show you the most common Chinese food and grandmother's cuisine, stir-fried tomato with eggs. First, we need to disturb the eggs. Okay, when egg become mixed together, we will fry it. Okay, when oil become very hot, we put the egg into the wok. Then stir fry it. Okay, when egg is still a little juicy, we take it out. You cannot fry it too dry. If the egg become very dry, the taste will be very bad. Then we start to cook tomato. When the oil become hot, we put the tomato into the oil. Stir fry it. You can add a little water a little water. Okay, and a little water. Then put the lid on to cook it for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 7 minutes. Okay, I cooked this tomato for 10 minutes. So now the tomato become very soft. I put the condiment now. 1 spoon of salt and half spoon of sugar. That's all condiment you need to put. Then place the egg into the tomato. Stir fry them. Okay, you finished. Okay, finally the food is ready. I start to enjoy my food. My family will come in a few minutes, so I want to show you how to eat them. First, it's a tomato with eggs. Tomato with egg is easy to eat, but you need to use a spoon to take the food from the plate to your own plate. You cannot use. You can use a fork, but I think a fork is not easy. Chopsticks is also not good. Each time you can only take a very few food, but I think the spoon is a better choice to take the food from the plate to your own plate. Stirred tomato with egg is a very nutritious food, because tomato contain a lot very good nutrition that our body need. For example, vitamin A and dietary fibers, many different minerals. According to the doctor, the tomato, if you eat tomato frequently, you can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. If you suffer from the high blood pressure, you can eat this frequently, because tomato can regulate your blood pressure. So that's quite enjoyable food. The food is simple, cheap, but delicious. Let me try. I will use a fork. Good, delicious. Very delicious. A little egg. Okay. Excellent.